2017 AMG GTS protected with Ghost 2 Immobiliser. So a thief got this key, done a relay attack, went to steal the vehicle. They're going to try to start it up, but as you're going to see, it's going to flicker and just not start. They try again, it's just not going to start. So what the customer's got to do, they'll keep their foot off the brake, double tap to get all their lights on, go for a unique code. For now we just have 1, 2, 3, 4. Receive a double flash from the park light, and now foot on the brake. We can start the vehicle when it fires into life. Customer can set their own code on this from 3 to 21 presses, and also put it in service mode. If it goes back to a main dealer, they don't need to disclose the code. So once again, when they leave, vehicle's not going to start without a code. So if a thief got your key, went to steal it, you're going to be unable to steal it. What you got to do, turn the ignition on, so foot off the brake, double tap, get all your lights on, pop your code in, wait for your double flash, and then start. We're Immobiliser Fit. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.